the thought of your linen closet stresses you out? Don't fret. Our Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet Contestants will help you transform your linen closet from this to this by providing you with 8 must-have organization hacks that you can do right now. Content in this video is new, so if you've already voted, there's still some valuable information for you. On the other hand, if you haven't voted for your favorite linen closet, then after you get these hot tips, please stop. Yes, stop. And cast your vote today. And with that, let's get started. Hey, good people. Welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we're featuring 8 must-have linen closet organization hacks illustrated by this year's Linen Closet Contestants, along with the 2021 Linen Closet Queen winner. Let's kick it off with Miss Ruby. She's going to show you how to fold your fitted sheets.
Trick for folding any fitted sheet is to get those corners together, the 4 corners together. I get my 4 corners together. And the thing is, when you put the 4 corners together, you seem to have the edges hanging out. I want my edges inside. So I come over here and look inside. And see where they are. Both sides. You look pretty. Okay.
Once Miss Ruby finishes folding the fitted sheet, she then adds the flat sheet along with the pillowcases for a nice package. As a final step, she presses the entire kit to add to her linen closet. This makes for a nice crisp appearance and saves lots of space. Cover your wire shelves. When Tanya decided to tackle her linen closet redo, she was all in. And as a first step, she got rid of those wire shelves by using MDF board to cover them. And the results were awesome. I did something similar when I redid my kitchen pantry using closet-made shelf lining as well as some other supplies, and I tell you, the results were breathtaking. I still get compliments on this project. Please feel free to click the link above for the full video. Roll your towels to save space. Kristen, another contestant, is going to give us a demonstration.
Hi guys, I want to show you how I roll my towels for my linen closet. So I have my towel here ready to show you. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take this left hand corner and we're going to fold it up towards the center. You can already kind of see the center line here. So we're going to take this corner and going to fold up to the center. Next step, we're going to take this half of the towel and we're going to fold up to the other side. The third step, we're going to flip the entire towel over. Towel has been flipped over. Remember, at all times, we're going to try to make sure our towel stays nice and as smooth as possible without any wrinkles. So the last step, we're going to start on this end and we're going to slowly roll as tight as we can to the corner fold that we made. We're going to take this tab right here and we're going to tuck it in this corner. So we're going to take this and we're going to tuck inside here. Towel tab has been tucked to this end. You'll know you've accomplished your goal if you have a perfect burrito on the other side. Here's our perfectly rolled towel. I just added it right here. But it's functional, it's pretty. Allows us to see how many towels we have needed before washing. It just makes everything overall simple.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. This is one of my favorite hacks. Install an iron board caddy. Contestant Sharon is a woman of my own heart. She uses a caddy just like I do. In her case, she uses the one that has extra storage, and you can find that on Amazon. I actually use the basic ironing board caddy because I don't need extra storage. I can't tell you the last time I used starch. I wouldn't be able to find it if I needed it. My only caution would be to avoid ones like this where the iron would be upside down simply because water would be spilling out of it. While you're over at Amazon ordering your caddy, I also suggest you get a new ironing board cover. It will really zhuzh up the space. Label your bins, baskets, and shelves. In order to do that, you need to actually have them. So follow Evo's lead and go over to Walmart. Pick up these wonderful bins for just 98 cents each. Katrina may not be our linen closet queen just yet, but she's definitely our label queen. Yes, she has labeled everything in her linen closet, including her natural baskets, which she got from Five Below. Those small black baskets were from Hobby Lobby. And her glass bottles and jars for bleach and other liquids are from IKEA. The actual labels, which are wooden with clips, are from the Dollar Tree. Contestant Judy uses shelf label clips, and she gets them from the Container Store. They come 4 in a pack for $9.99. And they're offered in gold, silver, and birch. And if you want more of Judy's tips, find her on YouTube under Judy the Organizer. Minimize the clutter. Denise is a contestant in the Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet competition, as well as a YouTuber that hosts her own programming on homemaking. You can find her on This and That with Denise Jordan. As for the contest, Denise shares how she reduced the clutter in her linen closet by minimizing the number of towels, washcloths, and sheets that she stores.
And those things that I'm not keeping, I'm donating to the animal shelter. They always are in need of towels and sheets to work with their animals. Another problem that I had was too many personal hygiene items on the top shelf. So I cut back to just 3 sets of each of the things like mouthwash and body wash that I wanted to keep in this closet and put the extras somewhere else, and just a 4-pack of toilet paper, and I've got extras elsewhere.
Taquayan also has a store as needed linen closet, and it makes for a very clean appearance. Stock extra supplies on top shelves. The consensus is if you're not using a particular item, you should store it out of the way on the top shelf, and that's exactly how I organized my linen closet redo. Personalize your linen closet. Linen closets are an integral part of the household that are accessed by everyone. So don't be afraid to add your own style. Vanessa used gray accents and even signage to bring in her personality, and that's important. Just ask our 2021 Linen Closet Queen. Essence used signage, a pink and gray color palette, as well as pearls to make her linen closet pop and earn her the crown. For more helpful tips and linen closet magic, you have to vote in the Linen Closet Queen Contest. Not only do you help a sister win a gift card, but your participation might make you a winner too. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.